Hey YouTube, it's I am Nubian with I am Nubian Customs. I'm just coming here with some pants that I had started because I accidentally bleached them. They were like just all light wash, but I ended up getting this huge bleach stain on them. I'm gonna insert some pictures to show y'all. And I ended up with a really cool design. They already had a couple rips in there. This is how they came already bought, with the rips in there. I did not do these rips. I just did the bleaching that is on here. And I'm just in the bed chilling. It's a nice little day outside, but I don't feel like going outside. Wait. But what I am about to do is add some more rips in here, I think. Because these pants are like super, super, duper, duper, duper tight. And I just want some really holy pants for the summer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and make some cuts where I want to further rip them at. Which I'll probably do some... I want to do some on like the back or something. And I'm thinking about messing with this little bottom piece, or I might do it with some other jeans that I got. I've been seeing like a lot of fringe. Like I want to fringe up the back of these all crazy. Or I can put Nubian in it somehow with the letters. But let's show you the wash. And I did hand rinse these out after I did them. I did this little rip right here though. So like I said, I might add some more on the back. Okay, this is before washing them. I just went ahead and added a rip right here on the pocket. A bigger rip right here. This was the previous rip I already did, but it's been washed already, so that's how it came out. So this is what these will look like after they get washed. And I just added a couple rips at the bottom on the calf to have some accent in the back. And also when I wash these, they're gonna come out similar to how that's ruffled right there. And on the other calf, I just have them right here. One right here, and on the front of the pants I also took out one of the false pockets and shredded that, but I left this one on this side. And I'm debating if I want to go in on here and shred this just to give it some accent, because it has 3 tiers. So if I just go in and shred this middle one, how that will look, I don't know. I'm just debating if I want to do that or not, but how the front is. And like I said, these were already in here. Well, this one was already in here, and I added in this one. As you can see how the rips at the bottom is, you can tell I did that. And at the top, I pulled those threads down versus how this is manufactured done. But I just went in and pulled a couple more. But for the most part, that's manufactured done. And I just put a couple more rips down here. These were already manufactured done. I just pulled more out to make it more shredded. As well on this side. You see where I pulled threads out to make it more defined and shredded. And this is the part that's manufactured. This is where I added more shred. And I'll try them on for you guys so I can show you what they look like. I decided to go in on the back side, and what I did was made a little incision and went all the way across, and made a little more here and went all the way across. And I'm gonna pull all of these threads out, and it's gonna make a shred like how we did this pocket over here. So we have accents in the back.
I really be hustling, I really be thugging. I ain't one of these rap dudes. Diamonds jumping out the face of the autumn. I doing a Michael Jackson kick move. I'm a big dog, you a shih tzu. She gon' kick a nigga out before I come through. You ain't been through what I've been through. Now I'm up, I'm gon' ball like how you got shoe bless me. Please don't test me. I won't hesitate to bust a Smith with some dope boys and some killers in my section. But lame, we ain't fucking with you.